Worshipping Yahuah, the Aluah of Yisrael, is a profound journey rooted in love, reverence, and obedience. To truly worship Yahuah means to align every part of life with His will, to seek His guidance and wisdom, and to honor His commandments. Worship in this context isn't merely a ritual or a tradition. It's an all-encompassing way of life that encompasses daily practices, principles, and values. This story delves into the various practices and principles involved in worshipping Yahuah, drawing from both ancient traditions and modern applications that resonate with believers today. The foundation of worship, knowing Yahuah's name. Worshipping Yahuah begins with understanding His identity. His name, Yahuah, is deeply significant because it reveals His character and authority. In the scriptures, Yahuah Himself emphasizes the importance of His name, stating, "I am Yahuah. That is my name. My glory I give to no other, nor my praise to idols." Isaiah 42:8. Knowing and using His name in worship reflects a desire to honor Him personally and to avoid blending with false practices. Using His name connects worshippers more intimately with Him. It becomes a part of prayers, songs, and meditations, serving as a reminder of who Yahuah is, the Creator, the Eternal One, and the ultimate source of wisdom and life. This recognition fosters a profound sense of reverence, creating a foundation upon which all worship practices are built. Principles of worship, obedience, and love. Central to worshipping Yahuah is the principle of obedience, which is demonstrated by following His commandments. In the book of Deuteronomy we read, "And now, Yisrael, what does Yahuah your Aluah require of you but to fear Yahuah your Aluah, to walk in all His ways, to love Him, to serve Yahuah your Aluah with all your heart and with all your soul." Deuteronomy 10:12. Obedience isn't merely a duty, it's a display of love and devotion. One of the most well-known commandments given by Yahuah is the observance of the Sabbath. Observing the Sabbath is a way to honor Yahuah as Creator, dedicating one day a week to rest and worship. By setting aside this time, believers affirm their commitment to His covenant and recognize His authority over their lives. The Sabbath serves as a reminder of Yahuah's provision and an opportunity to renew focus on His purposes. Practices of worship, feasts, and festivals. Throughout the scriptures, Yahuah establishes specific feasts and festivals for His people to observe, each rich with meaning. These feasts not only celebrate His blessings, but also act as reminders of His enduring promises. Passover, or Pesach, is a powerful celebration of Yahuah's deliverance. It commemorates the night the Israelites were freed from Egyptian bondage. Today it represents the freedom Yahuah offers from sin and the fulfillment of His promises. Celebrating Passover connects worshippers to Yahuah's role as a liberator, inspiring gratitude and faith. The Feast of Unleavened Bread follows Passover and involves removing all leaven from the home, symbolizing the removal of sin. It serves as a reminder to lead pure lives free from sin's corruption. The Feast of Weeks, also known as Shavuot or Pentecost, marks the giving of the Torah to Israel. It is a celebration of Yahuah's laws and commandments, acknowledging them as a guide to righteous living. The Feast of Tabernacles, or Sukkot, is a time of rejoicing and remembrance of Yahuah's provision during the Israelites' journey in the wilderness. Many believers set up temporary shelters to commemorate this time, reflecting on Yahuah's presence and provision. Each festival provides a tangible way to express worship, grounding the principles of reverence, obedience, and gratitude in traditions that believers can observe each year. These practices are rooted in Scripture, allowing for a rhythm of worship that aligns with Yahuah's design. Prayer and meditation, personal connection with Yahuah. Another core aspect of worship is prayer, which creates an intimate dialogue between the believer and Yahuah. In prayer, worshippers seek Yahuah's guidance, confess their sins, give thanks, and intercede for others. It's a way to bring daily concerns before Yahuah and to listen for His voice. Meditation is also integral to worship. This involves studying and reflecting on Yahuah's word, allowing it to permeate one's mind and heart. In Psalm 1 verse 2 it says, "But his delight is in the law of Yahuah, and on His law he meditates day and night." Through meditation, believers can connect deeply with Scripture, finding wisdom, encouragement, and strength to live a life that honors Yahuah.
Know you've been a good friend.
Worship through community and fellowship. Worshipping Yahuah is not solely an individual pursuit, it also flourishes within a community of believers. Coming together for fellowship encourages accountability, unity, and mutual growth. Acts chapter 2, verse 42 describes the early believers as devoted to teaching, fellowship, breaking of bread, and prayer. Being in a community helps individuals stay rooted in their faith, provides support, and allows for collective worship and learning. Community worship also includes the celebration of the feasts together, gathering on the Sabbath, and sharing in prayer and study. This communal bond strengthens each believer's resolve and enhances the experience of worship, as everyone joins in one spirit to honor Yahuah. Living worship, the principle of holiness. Perhaps the most challenging aspect of worshipping Yahuah is the call to holiness. Worship involves not only outward practices, but an inward transformation. Leviticus chapter 20, verse 26 says, "You shall be holy to me, for I, Yahuah, am holy, and have separated you from the peoples, that you should be mine." Holiness is more than ritual purity. It is a commitment to moral and spiritual integrity. This principle calls believers to live with humility, compassion, patience, and a heart for justice. Worshipping Yahuah becomes evident not only in observance of his commandments, but in how believers treat others, how they steward the earth, and how they bear witness to his goodness. Each decision and action reflects their reverence for Yahuah and his ways.